So, sa inyong lahat, ako nga pala ulit si Da, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Ako sana naman maglalaro ng free random horror games, another episode ng free random horror games, kung saan ako maglalaro ng mga free random horror games na makikita ko sa kahit anumang site sa Google. And yan, lalaroin ko na siya sa ngayon sa inyo. Harap nyo, lalaroin ko na siya. So, hindi ko mapapangako na magiging maganda to, pero mapapangako ko na mag-enjoy tayo. Sana panihintay natin, lalaroin ko na siya. It's the time to play this game! So, demo itong ang first game is a demo, taco stand. May nakatayo na agad sa rabo, let's go. Wishlist. You. My first day working at a taco stand. It's time go to this taco stand na. Okay. Dito na nga eh. Tapos, taco stand na to, taco stand na oh. Ito yung boss natin, diba? Hello, sir. Go talk to your boss. Paano may pag-usap sa boss? Okay, ito to. Boss, hey buddy. Wait lang. Welcome to the taco stand. The customers will arrive soon to get to work. What the Nag-emote, bilang nag-emote siya. May chicken dance. Nag-emote siya for, alam niya na may magkano na eh, na magtatrabaho na sa shop niya eh. So, saan yung banda? Dito? Go inside and stand, wait for the customer. Okay. What the heck? So, first customer natin. Sam, smells really good. I have meat taco. Meat taco. So, meat taco. Ito ba yung taco wrap? Saan din lalagay? Ito dito? Oh, pwede masunog. Okay, di. Meat. Hindi. Place, okay. So paano? No bro. Hindi ko alam kung paano to. Hindi ko alam, walang seminar. Taray, new work, sim. Kamusta? Huwag mo sabihin kailangan ko ilabas yung... Kailangan ko ata ilabas. I don't know. Mambira. Thanks. Oh, so umalis lang siya. Okay. Continue serving customer and to listen to the order carefully. Oh, parang shawarma kiosk. Ba to? I don't know kung parang shawarma kiosk siya. Ako napanood yung previous video ko sa YouTube. I think parang ganun siya. Pero hindi naman mali. Siguro pa nagkamali. So, hello miss. Olivia, first time trying your tacos. Veggie taco please. Okay, veggie tacos. Ay, magkakagusto ba dito sa sauce na to? Ragis na yan. Parang sisig. Okay. Looks really good. Bye-bye. Uy, si Casey oh. Kung kilala nyo yung streamer na si Casey yung sikat, yung naglalaro ng horror game din. What the heck, bro? Dito siya. Case. I'm hungry, man. I want a spicy one. Okay, Casey oh. It's I'm glad na dito ka bumili. Spicy sauce. Okay. It's an honor na dito ka bumili sa taco ko. Ang dami namang taco dyan eh. Normal lang yan. Parang nagpalit ng ng okay. Man, this looks delicious. It is. Thank you. Hindi man lang sila nagbabayad. Wala akong pupulutin na pera. Sa labas, wala naman ata eh. Hello, sir. Milo. Meat taco. Hurry up. Okay. Okay. Multo ba siya? Okay. What? Took you so... No, I'm not. Oh man, please. Cornered ako dito. Ang bira. Please. Sa mga side character. Ah! Okay. Kalbo. May itim na kalbo. Okay. Sa cool little stand here. I would like a plain taco. What do you mean plain? You mean here? Meat. I think meat taco is plain. Okay, plain. Okay, mali. I think plain taco. Like walang laman. Walang laman. Like walang halo or kung ano man. Pick up. Guess ito yung plain. Looks great. Okay, diba? I see. That's a plain one. Like wala siyang palaman. Please. Daragis na another night shift. Ito yung labi ko ah. Okay, may pagka-bonding siya sa tiyan. Laki ng pantog mo ah. Hello, sir. Leo. Hi. Get me a taco with veggies. Okay. Here you go, sir. Cool. Okay. So, umalis. Bro, ba't ang dilim? Like, ito lang yung place na may ilaw, tas banda doon ang dilim, tas banda rito ang dilim. No, hell no, bro. The shift is over. Put the chairs back on counter and go to your car. What car? I mean, right there. Okay. Please, walang jump scare, please. Oh, boss. Nakatayo pa rin siya. Bro, ang creepy naman ni boss. O nga, ano. Ang dilim sobra. Kaya nga, walang ilaw doon. Mas wala rin ilaw doon. Okay. I think second day. Okay, I mean day 2. Okay. Pambira ka, boss. No, uwi na ako. Huh? Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I just wanted to let you know that tomorrow is going to be busy, so make sure you get rest. Wait, guys. Tignan nyo. I have 2 bosses, bro. 2 bosses I have. What the heck? Doppelganger ba siya? Ba't iba yung mukha na dito? Ba't iba yung mukha niya doon sa mukha doon? Okay. It's a demo. Oh, demo nga lang siya. Salt. Ang next game natin is Salt. Asin. I don't know if asin to, parang ano yung... alam niyo ba yung ano? Alam niyo yung... Pag bumili kayo ng sapatos o kaya gamit, like may asin siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Hindi ko alam kung asin ba yun or na. Ano? Like lason yun eh. Sabi nila. Mapatay sa daga. What? Ganun naman. Another working day has come to an end. Finally, I'm almost home. Ganito na namang laro. Saan banda? Okay, press tab. Oh. But utak ko ba to? My mind. So, I have a map. Is this way? Okay lang ako. Get to your apartment. Oh. Yeah, I guess ito yung apartment natin. If tama. Ito yung apartment natin. You mean that apartment or this apartment? Okay, I think this. Malaki naman ang ikutan mo. Okay, I think ito yung entrance. No, bro! No! Bro, siya si ano. I'm gonna call him or her. Dalandan. Hello, Dalandan. Nice to meet you. Okay. Ang mas interaction na. Ang ganyan yung kamay. So, what apartment is this? Ito ba? Nope. Okay. I think ito yung apartment natin. Hindi, ito. Ito. Nah, bro, hell no. the heck? Alien! So, asan yung apartment ko, please? Please let me in! So, ito yung apartment ko. Ano, may interaction ng kamay, oh. Can we lock? Finally, I'm home. I'm terribly hungry. But parang unbothered. I hope there's something edible in the fridge. Press tab, okay. Take food from the fridge, okay. Yung utak natin, laki ah. Mas malaki pa kay Albert Einstein. Okay, ito yung CR. Ba't hindi mo pwede ilak? Okay, fridge. Look at the fridge. Great, there's lasagna. It needs to be heated in the microwave. I mean here. Tatapos na nang gawain yung tote bag na project namin. Tagal nyo naman gawin. I mean, inabot kayo na ilang araw. Okay, pinainit na natin. Like, okay, pinainit natin lasagna. I think, no, I need to take a shower. Who is this? Huwag mo sabihin yung alien. Look, the front door. Oh, hello. Zip, 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 zip. Alien. Stranger. Hello. Stranger, I'm your neighbor upstairs. Upstairs, downstairs, bro. Could you lend me some salt? Oh, asin. I'm cooking something right now and as luck will have it, I'm out of salt. Okay. Mukha siyang alien. Para man sitaw, I'll bring it now. Please calm, sir. Asin? Okay, asin. Oh, this one? What the? Hello? Sir? Sir na mukhang pipino? And where is he? Okay, well, I need to take a shower. Hi, guess may jump scare to. Take a shower. Okay, ito yung utak ko. Okay, hello, bro. Take a shower right now. Bro, ang creepy. Ba't may ganun akong kapitbahay? Now, all that's left is to take out of the trash and I go to bed. Tab, okay, ito ulit yung utak ko. Hey, bro. Take out the trash. Okay. Okay. Hello? Kailangan ko ba isara yan? Para di siya makapasok. Take out the trash. So, asan pa yung trash? Guys, I think hindi ko kaya to. Lock natin. Take out the trash. Nakapasok na siya sa apartment ko. Sa room ko mismo. Sa apartment ko. Return home. So, prepare yourself, guys. Kaya ang laki ng tapunan, naiikot ka pa eh. Like, pwede ka naman siguro Okay. Walang terrace. Walang terrace yung apartment. Okay, I think nasa 4th floor yung apartment natin eh, no? Yeah, ito yung 3rd. Orange na light is... Wait lang. Sinarado ko yung pinto, di ba, bago ako umalis? Sinarado ko yung pinto bago ako umalis. Oh, man. Okay, I can finally go to bed. Go to bed, you mean here? Nakakaano yan, parang nakakairita yung mga ganyan. Lalang. Ako kasi yung, like, ayoko magpa-istorbo pag tulog ako, pag hindi pa kompleto tulog ko. Like, ayoko talaga magpa-istorbo. Damn, who again? The neighbor again, with his salt. Check the front door. Some traces. Tat. They lead me into the 5th floor. Pambira, akala ko jumpscare. What? Bro, ano to, diba? Trespassing? Diba? What the heck? As in? So what kind of... Oh, bag. Okay, may key. Bro! Mas lalong pagpapawisan yung palad ko kung nakikita niyo yan. What? Oh my! He's a freaking killer. He wanted to salt the corpses. Tat. I need to call the cops and fast. No, bro, mamamatay ka, I swear. Return to your apartment and call the police. What the heck? Okay, tingnan, nandyan na siya? Oh, bro! Nakabahan ako ah. Okay, call the cops. Okay, close the door. Call the cops. Oh, man. Freak. Kanibalismo. Di ka matis. Inhale, exhale. I need to call 112. Feel ko nasa ref. FW. Feel ko nasa CR siya. I don't know, guys. Okay, security booth. So wala siyang ibang option. Like, yung play lang. Okay. No one is in the line. No one is on the line. Okay. Job rules. Make sure to talk to the person in the car. They must work here. Check person's license plate on front of their car. If the person's license plate is in the employee register, let them in. If they are not on the register, you must tell them to leave. Only open the gate to employees. Keep gate closed until you've checked the person's plate ID. Okay. So now another job is parang sa gate booth tayo, like yung mga daan-daan, like yung mga nagsasara ng gate. Parang isa para sa sasakyan. Okay, like ito, okay. So I need to check. Grade 12, 69R. Paano ma-check? Paano? How? Okay, grade 12. Okay, si Stefan Orpisan, grade 12, 69R. Okay. May siya, nakikita ko siya. Wala, hindi pwede maano yung cursor eh. Wait lang. Hindi ba makakuha yung cursor? Nakuha naman. So, you can go now, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, diba? Gawin lang kadali. Another job, like lahat na lang pinapasukan ko. So, let's check their plate. Leo N31. Moy, Leo N31. Tagal mo close. Leo N31, okay. Ayun na, may Leo N31 si Louis Woodhouse. Louis Woodhouse. Here you go, sir. Enjoy your things. Do your things. And madumi akong thing. Guard ka dyan, yes. Guard ako. AU87UI. AU87UI. Okay, ano siya sa kaliwa? Si Ellen Brown. AU8, dito siya sa may kaliwa, oh. If tama. Hindi man tayo pwede makapag-shift. Hindi tayo pwede makatakbo. I think demo lang din tong police boot, guys. I don't know. May nakatayo. No, hell no, bro. May nakatayo. May nakatayo doon. With blue car? FA5 148. FA5 148. FA5. Ay, meron. Andres Tavas. Ito siya, guys, oh. Ito. FA5, okay. So, you can come in, ma'am. At sino naman yung putragis na yun? So, we're gonna wait for another car. May kumatok? Huh?
System failure.
System failure. System failure.
System failure.
What do you mean system failure?
System failure.
What do you mean system failure? Ayun yung blue car. BE4 T93. This is Nova Nexus HI, right? Today's my first day and I got a little lost and running late. Mind letting me in? No. You're not going in. Bro, hindi ka narapat dito. Get the freak out of here. Okay, that. What? So, anong gagawin ko sa'yo? No, please. Please. Huwag mo sabihin na labas tayo. Ding. Nalabasin ko na siya. Uy! What? Ending 1? So, ang last game yung episode, guys, is Heartless, A Valentine Night to Die For. Okay, my love, it's been so long. It's been so long. I can feel the weight of that time and distance between us. But tonight I need to see you again. Come to the diner. Our diner. The place where we first met. There are things I never got to say. Truths I couldn't share. But I'm ready now. Please meet me there. I'll be waiting. Forever yours. Wow. Iba pa rin talaga pag gumagawa ng love letter. Like old school. How is this possible? I haven't seen her here since that 1 year. Oh, tabi. Oh, okay. Front door. Akala ko. Note. Beneath our sign, the past is locked away. The day it all began, we'll set it free. But or your mother's green comes. First, purple follows, blue remains. You'll know what to do. Forever yours. What do you mean? Di ko gets. Baggy yung game. Tumagus ka na lang. Safe? Okay. I don't know. but order matters. Green is 19. Comes first. Purple follows. Blue remains. Okay. 11. 19. 19. 11. 7. 9. Correct. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Finally, the front door key. Okay. Ba't naglalag? Like, ang lagi niya. Hello? Use the key in the front door, bro. What, bro? What the... Oh. Huh? No one is here. I should check the back. Oh. Toilet key. Oh, naman nasa sofa. Okay, gets ko na guys. May umurong na sofa. So, I guess may key rin banda dito. I don't know why wala. What? Poo! That smells bad. Oh. Okay, Chinky. What? Kailangan nating... What the heck is game? What the heck is this game? Okay. So, nakapunta na ako sa loob. So, what's next? My love, you always said the smell of fresh bread felt like home. I've left everything here, flour, sugar, yes, salt, mix them. Knead the dough and bake it in the oven just like we used to. When it's ready, you find the truth waiting for you. You mean the jump scare, Sarah? Oh, there's a Coke. Ay, putak, te! Oh, hell no! Oh! What the heck, bro? Ano yun? What the heck? Oh, hell no, bro. Alam ko na agad. I know. I already know the truth. When it's ready, you find... Nadadala. When it's ready, you find the truth waiting for you. I know. I already know the truth, bro. I know. Daging bin shota. Jowa natin. Oh, taragis. Ilang. Okay, naging matcha na siya. I should wait a bit to cook. No, hell no, bro. What the heck? It sounded a key. Asan? Asan yung susi? Nalaglag yung susi. Okay. No way. No way. Nah. Hindi. Ayoko buksan, guys. I already know the truth. Sarah, is that you? Sarah, what happened? What? Remember. Hello? So, baliw ako? Article. Weekly news. Local man snaps wife found dead in diner. Valentine's murder. Tragedy struck at Rosewood Diner last night when Sarah Miller was found brutally murdered. Her husband, Jonathan, was discovered at the scene, dazed and unresponsive. Investigator report signs struggle. Tayo? Local man sensationalized. Cats causes chaos in local pet store after mysterious incident. So tayo yung pumatay sa asawa natin? So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy guys yung panibagong video sa free random horror games ko. So yeah, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I hope na appreciate nyo yung panibagong video and yeah, maraming salamat. If napanood to, all good sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kita tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!